Good morning, Cougars. This is Mr. Martinez with the morning announcements. Happy Friday, Joya. Good morning, Luca.
Hello.
Happy Friday.
Happy Friday's right. Guys, we have a brand new flag this morning from a third grade student. This is from Cora. Check out what she sent in.
Pretty.
I like the flag post in the cup.
Yeah, what do you think she used on that flag post there, Luca?
Maybe looks like a little plastic paper cup, and then he has a little straw and maybe a little note card.
Yeah.
For the flag.
This is from Cora in the third grade. She did a wonderful job making that, Cora. Thank you so much for submitting that. Joya, lead us in our Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right. Big shout out to Cora in the third grade. Happy Friday, everybody. Today is April 23rd. The weather is going to be cool. It's been in the 60s. Joy, did you have a sweater and a jacket on today?
I did. I had a sweater and some warmer clothes.
Okay, so it's going to be a high of 68 degrees tomorrow. Listen, today I know was, or yesterday was your first day back for both of you. Luca, tell us.
Yeah.
Luca, Joy, give us some feedback. How was it?
Yeah, yesterday was super fun. It was our first day back. My class was in a tent. We were tent 4, although it was still super fun and way better than Zoom learning.
So does the tent, you have like sleeping bags in there? Is there like a campfire nearby? Are you guys making s'mores?
It's sort of just like a roof there, and then there's only one wall. And
it's kind of like a canopy.
Okay,
Is that what you call it? I don't know. But
Joy, what were your impressions?
I thought learning in a tent was kind of cool. It was nice to breathe fresh air, and it was awesome to get to see all my friends and get to know my classmates a little better.
Very good. Well, listen, Luca, let me introduce you to, this is our sign language interpreter, Abby. Abby, this is our student body parliamentarian, Luca.
Hi, Abby.
Luca, we've been asking people this week if they have a special message that they would like to learn how to sign. Do you have a message that you would like to learn how to sign?
Yeah, sure. How about, what did you eat for breakfast this morning?
Ooh. Okay, so let's see. Okay, we're going to take this piece by piece, Abby. Here we go. Eat. Okay, so is it just 3 moves? Looks like 3 moves?
I took out this morning because it's kind of obvious you're asking for breakfast today.
Yeah.
So eat, breakfast.
What is like my favorite one? Like what? I think I'm good at you're good at the what too, Joy. Very good. All right, so you're going to practice that on somebody today, Luca?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, try the little brothers. Hey guys, it's Every Kid Counts Week. Joy, I'm going to put the flyer up on the screen, and this is about our book club. Tell us about the book club that is coming up.
Today we want to remind everyone that Mr. Newman is hosting a book club for 4th and 5th grade students. Sounds fun.
Yeah, Luca, what do you want to add to that?
Yeah, today we want to remind everyone that this book is being held next Thursday, April 29th from 4:30 to 5:30 p.m. Book club. Sorry, I just said book.
Yeah, that's right.
That's right. And the name of the book that Mr. Newman he's leading that, it's called Fish in a Tree
by Linda Molly Hunt.
That's right. So and it's designed only for 4th and 5th graders. If you're interested, there will be information in my morning email. I'll put the flyer in there. It's got the Zoom information. It would be great if you read it first, but you don't have to read the book before the meeting. It's not mandatory, right? Fish in a Tree, 4th and 5th grade book club. Sounds awesome. Luca, today's Friday, and we do Luca's Laudable Laughs every Friday. Why don't you take over the screen and remind everybody what the prompt was this week? Sorry.
Okay, so tonight, April 23rd, dance party.
5 o'clock film festival, and then right afterwards is the dance party. All right, perfect. Luca, take it away.
Yeah. Although this presentation is special because the 3 winners that are on my presentation will get a special shirt, and you can see it. Mr. Martinez is holding it right there. It says Earth Day is every day. A little picture of Groot dancing. If
Yeah.
you guys can see that.
Yeah, let's see who.
This is Earth Week this week, and yesterday was actually Earth Day. Thursday was Earth Day, and so the prompt was how do you show that you're helping the Earth?
Okay, let's see what Mally did.
Yeah. So she edited this document and she says, I take care of the world by giving money to the homeless because they deserve more than just a tent and some food from the trash.
Okay, all right. Thank you, Mally. You just won yourself an Earth Day t-shirt. Thank you, Mally.
This
Take a
is
picture. Yeah. Who's it?
Shawnee's.
Shawnee. Okay, Shawnee.
And she wrote this on a piece of paper and she says,
I save.
I save the earth by, and then over here she has her little bullet points and all the ways that she saves the earth. She recycles, she conserves water, is reused water bottles, and she conserves energy.
And she just won a t-shirt also.
And she just won an Earth Day t-shirt. And over here he says that his family and him recycle materials to help our community and the environment.
And he just won himself a
A
t-shirt.
Groot t-shirt.
Awesome. Good job.
Congratulations. Well done, Luca. Thank you so much. Boys and
Yeah.
girls, if you were selected for a t-shirt, you can come to the office tomorrow to pick that up. We have your t-shirt waiting for you.
I have 2 little brothers, Aiden and Sebastian. Sebastian's 4 years old, and he said that he really wanted to be in my presentation. And so I added in a little thing that he did, and he did, oh, hold on, it's me, we don't need me. You see me all the time. So we have Sebastian, and he says he helps by recycling, and I gave him a little recycle bin right there.
Good job, Seppi.
Yeah, Sebi, you did good.
All right, good job. Thank you so much, Luca. That's
Okay.
all, folks. All
Yep.
right, guys.
Congrats to everyone who won a t-shirt.
Yeah,
Today,
congratulations.
today is Friday, and we've got a brand new Unity Fair Family video in store for everybody. In honor of Every Kid Counts Week, we're excited to highlight 3rd grade teacher, Mrs. Soto, an amazing example for inclusion at Carpenter. Tell us more about Mrs. Soto there, Joya.
Mrs. Soto, along with her son, first grader Ethan, gives us a glimpse into their Mexican heritage, as well as their family's experience coming to the U.S. and the many contributions their parents made along the way. I had Mrs. Soto for my 3rd grade teacher. She's awesome.
Same with me.
Yeah.
Okay.
She's so fun.
As a teacher, Mrs. Soto encourages kids to embrace who they are, give back to their community, and to be proud of their accomplishments. Thank you, Mrs. Soto, for all that you do to make every kid count every day.
Yeah, thank you.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Soto. Thank you so much for the invitation. Welcome to my house. So I want to introduce you to my 2 lovely kids. This is...
Hi, my name is Ethan and I'm a first grader.
And this is...
Hi, my name is Zoe.
How old are you?
I'm 4. I'm bienvenidas.
Oh, that's Spanish for welcome. So in our house, we speak Spanish and English.
Hola.
In our family, we believe in celebrating our accomplishments and strengths instead of comparing ourselves to others. We believe in working together, respecting everyone, and being grateful for who we are and what we have. What skills, talents, or strengths can you contribute to help make your home, your community, or the world a better place? One contribution that I would like to share with you is that of my grandfather Perfecto, my great uncle Chavo, and my dad Hector. They first came to the U.S. from Mexico during the Bracero program. The Bracero program was created during World War II in 1942. The U.S. recruited thousands of Mexican men to come work on the farms to help feed Americans, the U.S. troops, and the Allied troops. The Bracero program lasted well beyond World War II until 1964. In the 60s, my dad recalls arriving at a Calexico recruitment site and being told to stand nude in a long line to receive a health inspection. Finally, the farmers observed the men's walking style and tried to select the strongest, healthiest ones to hire. As a bracero, my dad worked long hours from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. under extreme weather conditions and was paid 50 cents per hour. Even though it was back-breaking work, he was grateful to have a job to contribute to his family. His contract eventually ended and he returned to Mexico. He later returned to the U.S. with my mom and my older sister to seek the American dream. Upon arrival to the U.S., my mother, Amparo, cared for many of the children in her neighborhood. Thanks to her contribution, the women in her community were able to work outside the home. Since she didn't earn much, my mom had to be creative and resourceful to help make ends meet. She utilized her sewing skills to make some of our clothing, such as these dresses and my sister's outfits. In addition, she made my quinceañera dress. My mom sacrificed her dreams and aspirations in order for us to accomplish ours. Thanks to my parents' support, I became the first in my family to graduate from college. In their 70s, my parents continued to shower us and their community with love, kindness, and their wisdom. Another important value that my parents inscribed in us is that of being of service and giving back. As a result, I became a teacher. I've been teaching for 17 years, and 11 of those years at Carpenter as a third grade teacher. Carpenter is the third school that I've taught. At Carpenter and at my previous schools, there were amazing teachers and staff members that took me under their wing. As a result, I volunteered to be the leader of the teachers' union at our school. As a union leader and educator, I have learned to value the labor of all the groups who have contributed to the success of our great nation.
Do you know what this is? Did you guess it? It's a lemon, just like this other one. We're different on the outside, we're the same in the inside. How special and unique when we work together, we can make amazing things such as Pico de Gallo.
This month we celebrate Every Kid Counts. I know that you all have a special gift to contribute to make this world a better place for all.
All right.
Yay, that
Two
was so
former
awesome.
Soto kids. Did you feel like you got to learn a lot more about Mrs. Soto there?
Yes, that is such a good message. And it was so cool to learn about her family and how she came to the US. And it's really cool how her mom was able to be resourceful and sew her those dresses. And they were still so pretty. And I agree with Ethan. Pico de Gallo is great.
I love Pico de Gallo too. Guys, it's time for the words of wisdom. Here we go. How many of you boys and girls have heard the expression, a fair weather friend? A fair weather friend is friendly when things are going well, but not when things get tough. Actually, if you think about it, a fair weather friend is not a friend at all. Listen to these words about friendship.
We must help each other be strong and kind. We must love one another. We must celebrate together, be sad together, and work together.
In other words, real friends stick together through the good and the bad. They celebrate when things are wonderful and work through problems when times are tough.
If you have a friend who sticks by you through bad times, count yourself lucky, and then take the time to thank them for being a true friend.
With something to think about, this is Mr. Martinez.
And Joya.
And Luca.
And Abby. Make it a great day, everybody.
Or not.
The choice is yours. Abby, it has been a pleasure having you with us
Yes,
this
thank
week.
you, Abby, and thank you,
so
Luca
much.
and Miss Martinez. Have a great rest of your day, everyone.
Bye,
All right.
everyone.
Bye, guys. See you.
Bye.
Bye-bye.